Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Kavita Ashok Educational and Motivational channel. Today we are continuing our trigonometry topic for the first year students. Our topic is compound angles. Right. Suppose if A comma B comma C are angles, then A plus B, A minus B, A plus C, B minus C, A plus B plus C, A minus B plus C, so on are called compound angles. Compound angles. So this means what? Yeah, plus minus is there. That means the sum of algebraic sum of the angles. Algebraic sum of the angles is called compound angles. Compound angles. So like this here. Example, sine of A plus B, sine of A minus B, sine of A plus B plus C, plus 1, the remaining angles. These are the algebraic sums, additions, subtractions, sum of more than two angles. So these are all called what? Compound angles. Now, first if you take sine of A plus B, sine A plus B is the compound angle. We are applying sine for that. Sine of A plus B if you want. This is sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sine of A plus B is nothing but here sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. The same manner, cos of A plus B if you want, this will be cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. The same manner, if tan of A plus B is there, this is simply tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. In the same manner, cot of A plus B is equal to cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Look at here, sine of A plus B. So sine contains both sine as well as cos. Plus is here, we can get plus here. Sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. In the place of A, in the place of sine, cos will come. In the place of cos, sine will come here. Cos of A plus B in the sense here, cos will be first, sine will be the next. So cos A cos B minus sine A sin B. Tan of A plus B, it reflects in the numerator part. Here plus is it, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Cot reflects in the denominator part. If plus is a, denominator will be plus. Only the difference is that B will come first, A will be the next. So cot of A plus B is equal to cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. So the same manner, if we want sine of A minus B, what we can get here? Sine of A minus B is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. Next, cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. The same manner, tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B, and cot of A minus B is equal to cot B cot A plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Look at here. If plus is there, it reflects on the plus. If minus is there, it reflects on the minus here. Remaining is same. If cos of A plus B is there, we can get minus here. The same terms here also we can get minus is there, we can get plus. Tan, we already know this applicable to the numerator part. So plus is there in the numerator plus, in the denominator minus. If minus is there, minus will be the numerator and the opposite sign will be the plus. Cot A minus B. So it reflects in the denominator part. So minus is there, it reflects in the denominator part. In the opposite, it will be plus. So like this we have to remember. Right. Look at here. If A comma B comma C are any three real numbers, then sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. If you want to calculate sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B, we can get either sin square A minus sin square B. Both are in sines. If you want both are in cos, the formula will be cos square B minus cos square A. In the place of A, B will come, and in the place of B, A will come along with that sin in cos. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B, it will become cos square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus sin square A B, B A. Sin of A plus B plus C is equal to, look at here now, first sign will come, sin A cos B cos C plus, it will be written here in the place of sin, first position sin A, the second either here sin B, the third position here sin C. Look at here now, cos A sin B cos C, it will be in the middle. Next cos A cos B sin C, it will be in the end, minus sin A sin B sin C. The same manner cos of A plus B plus C is equal to cos A cos B cos C. First cos A will come, sin B sin C, and cos B will be in the middle and cos C in the edge. Okay. This is the formula for cos of A plus B plus C. And tan of A plus B plus C is equal to tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C by 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan C tan A. If you want to write the formula for cot of A plus B plus C is also, we can get the same formula, but in the place of tan we can get cot. So cot of A plus B plus C is equal to cot A plus cot B plus cot C minus cot A cot B cot C by 1 minus cot A cot B minus cot B cot C minus cot C cot A. If we remember these formulas, the problems will be very easy. By using the formula, how can we solve the problems? Now we will discuss. Come, find the values of this one. By using the formulas, compound angle formulas, now we will solve these values. We will find these values. Now, sin 75 degrees. We know the values of the standard angles of the trigonometric functions or trigonometric ratios. So I can write this as sin of 75 is enough, 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Or we can write 30 degrees plus 45 degrees, no problem for 30, you can get the same thing. Now it is the form of sin of A plus B. According to the compound formula, sin of A plus B is nothing but sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So now we can write this as sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 degrees and sin 30 degrees. Now sin 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is nothing but sin 60 is nothing but 1 by 2 plus cos 45 1 by root 2, sin 45 value and cos 45 value is same. Sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. Here cos 30 sin 60. So this is root 3 by 2. Okay. Now 1 into root 3 is root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Since these two are the similar like fractions here, 2 root 2 is LCM, root 3 plus 1. So now sin 75 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. We already know Sine of 75 can be written as 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. Okay, so now this is nothing but 90 is there. So whenever 90 is there, according to the Arles-Ilbert-Teacups method, odd multiple of 90, sine changes to cos and cos 15 degrees. It is in first quadrant, so that's why positive. Means sine 75 degrees and cos 15 degrees both are same, both are equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Sine 75 degrees and cos 15 degrees both are same, and this will be root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. In the same manner, we want cos 75. Again we can write this as cos of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees, and according to the formula, cos of A plus B, compound angle formula, is nothing but cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is equal to cos 45 degrees cos 30 degrees minus sin 45 degrees sin 30 degrees. Right? Cos 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. Again 2 root 2 is a LCM. The answer will be root 3 minus 1. This is what? Cos 75 degrees. In the same manner, sin 75 is equal to cos 15 degrees. Cos 75 in the sense here, cos 90 minus 15 is, this will be equal to sin 15 degrees. So sin 15 and cos 75 value is both are same, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. We have tan 75 degrees is nothing but sin 75 degrees by cos 75 degrees, because tan theta is nothing but sin by cos. So now sin 75 degrees, sin 75 is nothing but root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 by cos 75 degrees. Cos 75 degrees is root 3 minus cos, this is sin of A plus B, sin root 3 plus 1 by sin 75 is nothing but root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Right? 2 root 2 get cancelled. Simply this value will be root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. If you write like this, this is also correct. Or by using the rationalization method, rationalize the denominator, root 3 minus 1 and root 3 minus 1. Okay, conjugate, root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. This is root 3 plus 1 whole square by A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square, root 3 square minus 1 square. Now finally, what we can get here? A plus B whole square formula. A square plus B square plus 2AB by A square minus B square. Square root cancel here. T minus 1. So then square root cancel. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. 2 common in the numerator. 2 plus root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. This will be 2 plus root 3. So tan 75 degrees is equal to 2 plus root 3. And cos 75 degrees we can get as 2 minus root 3. Just try that one. Okay. Like this we can calculate the values of sin 75, cos 75, tan 75 in the same manner, sin 15, cos 15, all these values. So take cos 75 degree value as homework.